Minimize mess and tar stains during a repair by planning protective layers and immediate cleanup before you start work. Start by choosing clothing and footwear you do not mind discarding or staining. Wear long sleeves, durable pants, and closed toe boots that you can hose off. Use chemical-resistant gloves and consider disposable nitrile gloves under heavier work gloves so you can remove the outer pair when heavily soiled. Lay down overlapping plastic sheets or heavy-duty drop cloths that extend well beyond the work zone and secure edges with PainterTape to prevent shifting and tripping. Keep a small cleanup kit within arm reach that includes rags, mineral spirits or a manufacturer-recommended cleaner, a putty knife or plastic scraper, and a container for dirty rags to avoid spreading tar. Work from clean to dirty areas so you are not tracking material across finished surfaces, and change gloves or wipe hands frequently when moving between tasks. Finish each stage by removing the top layer of plastic and folding it inward to trap debris before carrying it away. Common problems include tracking tar onto clean flooring when protective layers are too small or unsecured. Fix this by creating wide overlapping coverage and taping seams. Another issue is stubborn stains from delayed cleanup. Address this by cleaning drips immediately with the correct solvent for the product you are using and by testing the solvent on a hidden spot first. A third concern is damaged landscaping or plants from spills. Protect vegetation by placing plywood ramps and wider plastic sheets, and move potted plants out of the area before work begins. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a discussion community where we and others can share tips about minimizing mess on site. We help contractors find work by listing jobs and allowing them to engage directly with homeowners and our community.